Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. My phone. 16 missed calls. Sorry I was busy, but I missed a job. You see me ballin' in my fishbowl.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paris and welcome back. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in to yet another video, bestie. And if you are new to this channel, hi girl, I hope that you do enjoy being part of the family and probably do stick around, okay? So guys, I am starting a new vlog. We are going to sign up for gym. I'm so excited guys. Finally I've been contemplating going to the gym, honestly, and I even tried exercising at home. Like, it's not working. Like, it's really not working for me. So we're going to sign up for gym today. We're going there just now to go and sign up for gym, and I am dedicated to this journey because guys, my body, I don't hate it, but yeah, like, I just don't love those big arms and a big belly, you know. So yeah, we're changing that. And honestly, I think even my diet is gonna change because I've been eating a lot of junk like lately, and yeah, just a little bit of lifestyle change. So yeah, I hope that you do enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Leave your comments down below. So let's get going guys. I'm going to wear these glasses. I don't know if they look cute, and then I'm gonna carry this bag. I need to put my card holder inside, and also this glass. I love it, but I just don't like the smell. Like, it smells a little lacy. Like, it's not really good. I think it has like a coconut thingy, and it doesn't add up, honestly. But yeah, let us leave. I'm just going there, and then I think I'm just gonna pass by that Chinese restaurant just to grab something to eat, because it's been like, I think now it's 3:30 and I haven't eaten anything since morning. I don't know why, but I've never had the time to just eat, you know. So let us just go guys.
Tune into the people's DJ, the one and only DJ
Te amo, she says to me. I just put my nail. As I was opening the door, I put my nail. She takes me. That's when I saw it in her eyes. It's over. And she said, te amo. Then she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, te amo. Told her run away. Let me go. I saw you to cry. I'll ask you why. I said, te amo. Somebody tell me what she said. Don't let me in, I love you. Think it means I love you. Don't it mean I love you? Te amo. She's scared to breathe. I hold your hand and got no choice. Meet me out on the beach, dancing in the water. I start to leave. She's begging me and asking why it's over. And she said, te amo. Then she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, te amo. Told her run away. Let me go. I saw them to cry. I'll ask you why. I said, te amo. Somebody tell me what she said. Don't it mean I love you? Think it means I love you. Don't it mean I love you? Listen, we can dance. But you gotta wash your hands. Watch me all night. I'm moving to the light because I understand that we all need love, and I'm not afraid. I feel the love, but I don't feel that way. And she said, te amo. Then she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, te amo. Told her run away. Let me go. I saw it to cry. I'll ask you
our nails, guys. My nail tech 8. Like, tell me you don't love them. Like, tell me. He ate, okay? I really love the set. Oh my god, this might be my favorite set. So I just got back home. I really want to update you guys how gym is going. Honestly, I'm loving the vibe. I'm loving going to the gym, and the only time I can go to the gym for now is at night, which is from 6:30 to 7:30, because for now I am doing like an hour workout every day, and then when I get used to it, I'll see, maybe I'll increase the time or decrease the time, I don't know. So yeah, and gym has been hectic. It has been hectic, but I'm just enjoying, man. Like, I really want to lose a bit of some weight and also deal with my underarms and just my belly, okay? And my body is very sore because it is the first days, obviously, but I'm just loving it. Am I gonna quit anytime soon? No. So from Shein, guys, I did order a few things. Honestly, I didn't want to order. I just said, you know, I love things. So this one is the first set, which I don't know where I'm gonna wear it, but this top I can just pair it with any jeans. And yeah, I just love the material. It is so stretchy, and it comes with this like little bikini. I don't know if it's a bikini or what, but it looks like that, and I'm not gonna be able to wear this outside, okay? Like, it's too short. And then I did get this headband. I honestly just love the detailing of this headband. That's why I got it. I just love this, you know, this design, like those things here. And at the back, this is how it looks. It's not big, but yeah, just dingy here for the vibes. And then I did also order this. I've been wanting to try this for my installs and for my clients. This is what is it called? It's called I don't know, but it's a baba tape or something, neck baba tape, something like that. I think they use it for hair, to cover hair whenever like you're cutting your hair or doing something, I don't know, but it has to do with a baba something. Yeah, but this is how it looks. This roll is very big, and I got this for 30 rand on Shein. So this is what you use after installing your hair. You can just put this here and put your melting band on top of this. So this thing does melt. It does remove the excess glue that stays on your lace, you see, when you're installing. So it helps with that, and it also does help to melt your install so that it lasts longer and it looks so neat. So we're going to try this probably on the next video, or just on my TikTok and Instagram videos. Yeah, so that is the day for today. I am going to be going to the gym right now. It's about 2 o'clock, I think. I've been back like a long time ago. I just didn't record because I had to do something else. I just want to eat now because I'm very hungry, and I haven't changed my diet, but I'm just trying to eat in small portions, you know. Yeah, it's just small portions, and I think I'm just gonna do probably some ginger shots for in the morning, so that before I eat I just drink them on an empty stomach, and they're going to help with my gut health gain, and also just for gym, you know, to give me that energy. And it is winter now, so it's cold. We need that immune booster on your system, so I'm gonna do that probably tomorrow. And yeah, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Let me just eat and then prepare for gym. But I'm gonna go to the gym at 6:30 or 6 o'clock. Yeah, I think it is better like that, because during that time, like, there's few people who come at the gym, and now and even in the morning, like, there's a lot of people. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. 7:08.
Cozy.
guys, it's a Sunday today and it's currently 1 o'clock, I think. So I'm just chilling at home today. I have nothing to do, but I wanted to talk about a few things and just show you the PR that I received yesterday, as you guys saw. So from Skin Republic, I did receive this PR, and it's just only their patches. I think they're introducing new patches for every acne stage, I think. So those are the patches that we received. Yeah, so those are the patches. This is an extra large spot clear patch. This one I think you can use if you have like really large active acne actually. And then this is a dark spot micro dots patch. I don't know how this one works, but I'm gonna try it out and review these ones. And then this is a spot clear intense patch. It has niacinamide, and this one has vitamin C. And yeah, and then I've used this one. This is my favorite one because I've been using those ones. This one has salicylic acid. It also for active acne. So I'm just gonna review those patches on my TikTok and my Instagram, so make sure to please engage, guys. So yeah, I'm just having a glass of mimosa today because I just want to relax. I know it's not okay because since I've started gym, probably I should be quitting alcohol, but yeah, it's just a glass, just a can, you know. So I'm just gonna have that for today. And guys, I've been contemplating like doing my license because I think I have a little bit of trauma because I've taken driving lessons before, and there was this one time I crashed with the car. Well, I didn't get hurt, but I couldn't just stop the car from moving, and it was reversing backwards. So yeah, I crashed and I hit the wall. So it was a really bad like situation, you know, but I wasn't hurt or anything. I think I had a trauma, and I was scared to drive, and I was just scared to drive for a very long time. So now I'm taking this step, like, you know, because driving this year and having my driver's license this year has been one of my goals for 2026. And yeah, no more excuses. I'm doing this right now. And I got a Lena's driver sticker because yeah, I just want to motivate myself and just make sure that I stand on business. And this time around I am really doing it. By the end of the year I should have my driver's license. So that's why we have a Lena sticker. So yeah, I've been putting this away for a very long time. Mind you, I know how to drive, just that I don't have my driver's license and my Lena's license. Yeah, is it Lena's license, the one that you get before your driver's license, actual driver's license? Yeah, so I've been putting this away for a very long time, but now like I think I'm ready. So yeah, that is one of the goals for 2026, and I'm just happy, like everything is just coming together slowly but surely. We're getting there, you know. So how have you guys been? Like, how's 2026 going for you? Because now we're in the middle of 2026, like 6 months of 2026. Like, we're literally in the first half of the year. And have you guys like achieved all of the goals that you want, or you still working on it? Like, comment down below, okay? So I think this will be the end of this video for today, because I'm trying to be consistent with my YouTube, and I want to post like literally every week. Every Sunday it's gonna be a vlog, and every Tuesday it's a makeup tutorial, and probably we'll see, maybe we'll add some other things like as the year goes, you know. But yeah, I hope that you guys did enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Cheers.